Alright guys, so we're here at the Charlottesville airport, getting ready to go flying, me and Jeremy. You ready? Let's go. That's kind of cool. So as you guys can see, this is not a 737 or whatever the heck you call it. Look inside.
Careful going under the wings. This is fuel dripping out.
Oh.
They just filled it and they filled it to the brim and it has like an overflow. So you don't want that shit getting on you.
Yeah, that would suck. Yep, so see you guys in the sky, I guess. That was fun.
Well, if you want to get out, you can.
Okay.
Or you have to wait till I get out. All right. So with both seats up, you can slide out now if you want.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that last clip wasn't the best. It wasn't exposed right, and I kind of was at a loss for words. I just got out of the plane and I wasn't honestly feeling too well, so I'm gonna end the video here, back at home. The video's done, besides this last bit. I just wanted to let you guys know that was a lot of fun, and I hope that the video was able to convey that. Hopefully you guys had fun watching it and I could make you feel kind of like you were there with me. So yeah guys, with that being said, I want to thank all of you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Isn't that right, Orlo? Boy, wake up. How about you, little one? Little one. Little one. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.